With WSX coming up quickly, we have some more rider news, and that is Cullin Park has signed with, joined, whatever you want to call it, with Motoconcepts Honda. Now, obviously, this is the team that Vince Friese is on for the 450s, but Cullin will be in the 250 class. So it's pretty exciting to see. I mean, obviously, I like World Supercross. I like Supercross in general. I like racing, and I think what are they doing 4 rounds this year, or something like that? Correct me if I'm whatever. I think yeah, for the 4 round championship. Yeah, so 4 rounds. So obviously not the six it was supposed to be last year or whatever they were planning on this year. I think it's still kind of in the weird stage of is it going to live or is it going to die? But for him, obviously this is good. You're on a team who's proven to put out a good bike, I guess you could say. Um, on his Instagram, he said, "quote I'm super excited for the opportunity to go racing with MCR Honda Racing or at whatever team for WSX. Having fun back on the SX track and being back on the 250, I'm thankful and I'm ready to go for round one in Vancouver. So I don't know. This is going to be the season of what happens. I mean, does Freezy create more problems? Obviously, Park will be out of that in the 250 side of things. He joins Noah Viney, and Ryan Brees will be on the 450 alongside Freezy. But I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. You excited for this? Do you think they're going to continue to last, or they're gonna, or WSX as a thing is going to continue, or is it gonna fall on its face this year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.